with the legal mandate of promoting the right of all citizens to take appropriate steps in making education accessible to all. The Department of Education, or DepEd, is geared towards the transformation of education through the DepEd Computerization Program, or DCP. The Sigaboy Agricultural Vocational High School, as one of the recipients of the DCP, was granted 3 batches of computer package from the Department of Education. From 50 units of computer sets, now there are 150 units readily available from batch 27, 36, and 41 in the computer laboratories of SAVHS. One of the ICT practices integrated by teachers in classroom instruction is the use of Moodle, or Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment, wherein teachers ushers a new model of connected teaching. This model links teachers to their students and to help them improve their own instruction and personalized learning. On the other hand, students are able to learn better through increasing their engagement in educational activities. With Moodle, you get the offline features which allow students to open courses to their computers. Thus, with the implementation of DepEd Computerization Program, the students can use the netbooks as their advantage to access the Moodle. As a result, students can now access to real-time feedback through digital formative and summative assessments and data. It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is the most adaptable to change. Charles Darwin.
This is a really good help for me as an ICT student. Say, for example, for the e-learning management system. Through this system, we can view our grades and we can also have easy access on our quizzes as we take exams, and of course, we can save less time.
The DCP program of DepEd helps a lot in teaching learning process because in a classroom setting, students nowadays are very hard to engage in participation. With the use of DCP, they can improve their participation in the class.
In this 21st century teaching and learning, it helps teachers create blended learning classroom environment that makes the learning relevant to students' lives. With the effort of the implementation of DepEd Computerization Program, it improves the teaching and learning process in a classroom setting. Now, learners are able to meet the challenges of the 21st century. The teachers can now bridge the generation gap among those who are not digital literate. Innovation through the sprouts of 21st century with a scaffold of comprehensive and progressive e-learning may then lead to connected and linked teacher-learner environment. The DCP may intensify simple but creative learning inside the 4 corners of the classroom. But how can this new beam of invention can relatively enhance and uphold higher learning, comprehension, and progression to the thirsty mind of our learners? The answer lies in you.